In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete all game data on Steam. Whether you're looking to clear up some space on your computer or simply want a fresh start with your games, this step-by-step tutorial will help you achieve just that. So, let's get started. First, you need to open the Steam app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your library. Once you're in, look towards the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam logo. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various settings and options within the Steam client. Next, from this drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Settings. The Settings menu is where you can control many aspects of how Steam operates on your computer, ensuring everything is set up just the way you like it. In this case, we're looking to adjust some cloud settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the tab labeled Cloud. This is where Steam manages the game data it stores online. By default, Steam uses its cloud service to sync your game saves and settings across different devices. However, if you're looking to delete all game data, we need to turn this off first. Now, in the cloud settings, you'll see an option that says, Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications which support it. Toggle this option off. This step is crucial because it ensures that no game data is automatically downloaded from the cloud after you've deleted it from your computer. It's a good idea to double-check that this option is indeed turned off before proceeding. With the cloud synchronization disabled, you can now head back to your main Steam interface. Click on Library from either the menu at the top or from the sidebar. Your library contains all the games you have installed as well as those available for download. Find the game whose data you want to delete. Once you've located the game, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. From this menu, hover over Manage. This will bring up another menu with various options related to the game. We're interested in the Uninstall option, which should be visible in this menu. Click on Uninstall. Steam will then prompt you, asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the game. Confirm that you do, and Steam will proceed to remove the game from your system, along with all its associated data. Make sure you repeat this process for each game from which you want to delete data. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted all game data on Steam. Remember, by uninstalling the game, you've removed all local data associated with it. And since we turned off Steam Cloud synchronization earlier, there won't be any data automatically restored from the cloud. This simple guide will show you how to manage your Steam data efficiently, ensuring you're only keeping what you need on your system. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and leave a comment if you have any questions.